Ever wondered how all of us came into existence? How the miracle of life unfolds from just two cells? The answer lies in the marvel of the human reproduction system. Imagine a grand orchestra, each instrument playing its part to create a symphony. Likewise, the human reproduction system consists of different parts, each with a specific role working together to create life. On one side of the orchestra, we have the male reproductive system. Its primary function? To produce and transport sperm, the male reproductive cells. The journey begins in the testes, where millions of sperm are generated daily. These tiny swimmers then travel through a series of tubes, gaining strength and speed before they are finally ejected during ejaculation. Across the stage, we find the female reproductive system. Its role is more complex, involving not only the production of eggs or ova, but also preparing the body to nurture a potential new life. Every month, typically, one ovary releases an egg which travels down the fallopian tube. Here it waits, ready for the possibility of fertilization. So what happens when these two sides of the orchestra come together? The magic of fertilization. If a sperm successfully reaches and penetrates the egg, it becomes fertilized. This fertilized egg, now known as a zygote, begins to divide and grow, eventually implanting itself in the uterus where it develops into a fetus. And there it is, the symphony of life, a complex interplay of cells, hormones, and organs, all working in harmony to create a new human being. To recap, remember these key points about the human reproduction system. First, the male system is designed to produce and transport sperm. Second, the female system not only produces eggs, but also prepares the body for potential pregnancy. Lastly, when a sperm successfully fertilizes an egg, the journey of a new life begins. The human reproduction system is a masterpiece of nature, a symphony of life. It's intricate, it's complex, and it's absolutely vital to our existence. So next time you find yourself marveling at the miracle of life, remember the orchestra playing behind the scenes, creating the beautiful symphony that is human life.